Dear students, welcome to new topic. Today we will see project parameters. 5 parameters operate on every project and they decide the success or failure of every project. 5 parameters are: first one is scope, second quality, third cost, fourth time, and fifth one is resources. These parameters are an interdependent set. A change in one can cause a change in another parameter. The equilibrium of the project. In this context, this set of 5 parameters form a system that must remain in balance for the project to be in balance, because they are so important to the success or failure of the project. So let's discuss them individually. All these parameters, we will discuss all these parameters individually, means one by one. So first one is scope. Scope is a statement that defines the boundaries of the project. It tells not only what will be done, but also what will not be done in the course of that project. It also tells us what should be done and what should not be done. In the information systems industry, scope, it is often referred to as a functional specification. Scope may also be referred to as a document of understanding, a scoping statement, or a project initiation. This document is the foundation for all project work to follow. Beginning a project on the right foot is important, and so is staying on the right foot. It is no secret that scope can change. In the current of time, the scope has potentiality to change itself. We do not know how or when, but it will change. So detecting that change and deciding how to accommodate it in the project plan are major challenges for the project manager. Now the second parameter is quality. Two types of quality are there within every project or a part of every project. The first is product quality. This refers to the quality of the deliverable from the project. Deliverable means the finished product of every project, that is called as deliverable. Okay, deliverable means output of that project, the finished product of that project. The second type of quality is process quality, which is the quality of the project management process itself. The focus is on how will the project management process works and how it can be improved. Continuous quality improvement and process quality management are the tools used to measure process quality. Sound quality management program with processes in place that monitor the work in a project is a good investment. Not only does it contribute to customer satisfaction, it helps organizations use their resources more effectively and efficiently by reducing waste and rework. This is one area that should not be compromised. The payoff is a higher probability successfully completing the project and satisfy the customer. The third parameter is cost. The cost of doing the project is another variable that defines the project. It is best thought of the budget that has been established for the project. This is particularly important for projects that create deliverables that are sold either commercially or to an external customer. Cost is a major consideration throughout the project, throughout the project management life cycle. The first consideration occurs at an early and informal stage in the life of a project. The customer can simply offer figure about equal to what he or she had in mind for the project, for that particular project. Depending on how much thought the customer put into the number could be fairly close to or wide of the actual cost for the project. Consultants often encounter situations in which the customer is willing to spend only a certain amount for the work. Only a certain amount for the work means project work. In these situations, you do thought you can with what you have. In more formal situations, the project manager prepare for a proposal for the projected work. The proposal includes an estimate of the total cost of the project. Even if a preliminary figure had been supplied by the project manager, the proposal allows the customer to base his or her go or non-go decision on better estimates, means do's and don'ts of that project. Do's and don'ts means decisions on better estimates. The fourth parameter is time. The customer specified time frame or deadline date within which the project must be completed. To a certain extent, cost and time are inversely related to one another. Means cost and time are inversely related to one another. The time of project takes to be completed can be reduced, but cost increases as a result. It is familiar to you. This concept is familiar to you. अगर आपको कुछ जल्दी चाहिए, सपोज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, दिवाली के पहले अब अगर आपको या शादी के पहले अगर आपको सूट चाहिए, मीन्स विद इन 5 डेज आपको आपकी शादी है और आपको सूट चाहिए, या तो लेडीज़ के भी कुछ कपड़े हो सकते हैं, जितने जल्दी चाहिए उसके उतने ज़्यादा पैसे लगेंगे, ऐसे टेलर बोलते हैं. ओके, सो इफ द टाइम इज रेड्यूस्ड, कॉस्ट इंक्रीजेस. एज अ रिजल्ट, कॉस्ट इंक्रीजेस. टाइम इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग सोर्स और टाइम इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग रिसोर्स. इट कांट बी इन्वेंटरीड. It is consumed whether we use it or not. The objective for the project manager is to use the future time allotted to the project in the most effective and productive ways in every possible way. Future time, that is time has not it occurred, can be a resource to be traded beginner project or across projects. Once a project has begun, the prime resource available to the project manager to keep the project on schedule. Forget it in back on schedule is time. A good project manager realizes this. And will protect the future time or future time resource intentionally. Means time is the very important factor in every project. Of course, in our last lecture we have seen that every project has a deadline. Means in that specific period that project has to be completed. Means which resource? Time. Time रन होते रहेगा. वेदर वी यूज दैट टाइम और नॉट, वो तो चलते रहेगा, गुजरते रहेगा. ओके, इट विल पास. वेदर वी यूज दैट टाइम और नॉट, दैट टाइम विल पास ऑन. Okay, and deadline will come closer to closer. It can't be inventoried, means we can't store time. जैसे कोई इन्वेंट्री किसी स्टोर रूम में स्टोर कर सकते हैं, लाइकवाइज टाइम कांट बी इन्वेंट्रीड, टाइम कांट बी स्टोर्ड in a store room. It will pass on whether we use it or whether we don't. The fifth and last parameter is resources. Resources are assets such as people. People means manpower, equipments, available equipments, physical facilities, or inventory that have limited availabilities, and it can be scheduled or can be hired from an outside party. Some are fixed, others are variable, only in the long term. In any case, they are central to the scheduling of project activities and the orderly completion of the project, of that particular project. For systems development projects, people are the major resource, means manpower is the major resource that any project handler company has available. Another valuable resource for systems projects is the availability of computer processing time, mostly for testing purposes present significant problems to the project manager when it comes to the project scheduling. So these are 5 parameters which decide whether the project, upcoming or ongoing project, will be succeed or not. These parameters decide the success or failure of that project. Let us have a short look on every parameter in short. Okay, so first parameter, that is scope. The project manager has to decide whether that project he is taking in his hand has a scope or not. He has to decide it. The second one is quality. The quality of that project must be maintained. Process quality or product quality, both the qualities must be maintained. Third parameter is cost. The cost of project, the project manager or you has taken in your hand, the cost of that project must be maintained or must be in a controlled way. नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं कि आपने प्रोजेक्ट लिया है 1 करोड़ का और उसकी कॉस्ट जा रही है 1.5 करोड़, मीन्स पूरा मैन पावर की सैलरी, रॉ मटेरियल या जो भी अदर एक्सपेंसेस है, इसकी कॉस्ट जा रही है 1.5 करोड़. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, द कॉस्ट ऑफ एनी प्रोजेक्ट मस्ट बी इन अ कंट्रोल्ड वे. The fourth parameter, that is time. There is, for every project, there is a deadline of completion of that project. Okay, उसके अकॉर्डिंग शेड्यूलिंग करना चाहिए. Okay, time could not be stored or inventoried means stored. Okay, whether we use it, that time, whether we use it or not, it will go on, it will pass on, वो गुजरते रहेगा. Okay, so time is the very much critical factor or critical parameter in every project. Time is very critical factor in every project. Time and cost, these are very much related to each another. जैसे आप सपोज आज की डेट में उस प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ काम हुआ ही नहीं है, तो भी जो सैलरीज है, सैलरी ऑफ द मैन पावर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम होगी, वो एक्सपेंस और बाकी सभी एक्सपेंसेस, वो तो कॉस्टिंग में आ ही जाएगा, उसके पैसे तो जाएंगे प्रोजेक्ट फंड में से. ओके, सो टाइम इज अ वेरी क्रिटिकल फैक्टर in every project. And the fifth one, that is last one, is resources. Every resources, whether it is manpower, equipments, machineries, physical facilities, even inventory, okay, that must be utilized in a proper way, so that the time and cost could be controlled, could be maintained, could be adjusted accordingly. So these were 5 parameters we have discussed today. If you come across any difficulty, doubt or query, please call me or simply do a WhatsApp message. Hope you understand this topic. Thanks all of you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.